Can you believe that with just a few simple kitchen ingredients, your Anthurium can grow greener leaves, stronger roots, and bloom all year without chemical fertilizers or complicated care? Many people grow Anthurium but struggle with slow growth, yellowing leaves, and weak flowers that fade too quickly. The truth is, Anthurium isn't hard to care for. It just needs the right nutrients in a natural way. In today's video, I'll share a natural fertilizer that's easy to make at home and safe even for beginners. If you want strong roots, glossy leaves, and longer-lasting blooms, make sure to watch until the end. Now I start by checking the Anthurium plant as a whole. Upon closer observation, I notice some dried leaves, aging foliage, and a few flowers that are no longer fresh and have begun to fade. These parts no longer contribute to photosynthesis, and instead drain nutrients while trapping excess moisture. This can reduce airflow and increase the risk of fungal problems. So, I gently inspect each section and carefully remove the dry, old, and faded parts. This helps improve airflow, strengthen the plant, and direct its energy toward root development, new leaves, and future blooms. Now, I'm using an apple to care for the plant. A simple ingredient with surprisingly effective results. I take about 1/3 of an apple, chop it into small pieces, and place them into a clean glass jar. Apples contain natural sugars and micronutrients that help stimulate beneficial microorganisms and improve nutrient uptake. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to the Flower Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and share from all around the world. By the way, this video is available in multiple languages so everyone can enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and helpful plant care tips. Next, I use rice to care for the plant, a simple and familiar ingredient found in every kitchen. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass jar together with the apple. Then, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water. Stir well, and let the mixture soak for about 1 hour. This soaking time allows starches from the rice and natural compounds in the apple to be gradually released and evenly dissolved in the water. As a result, the solution remains mild, balanced, easy for the roots to absorb, and safe for the plant. After soaking the apple and rice for the required time, I gently stir once more and strain out all the solids, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. This straining step removes coarse residues, helping prevent root blockage or fungal growth, while ensuring the solution remains clean and safe for the plant. Next, I dilute the solution with about 50 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Diluting the solution makes it milder and more stable, preventing plant shock when watering the roots or spraying the leaves, especially for ornamental plants like Anthurium. With this diluted mixture, we have a completely natural nutrient solution that is easy to absorb and helps the plant grow healthier. Step 1. I use a clean, soft cotton pad. Soak it in the diluted apple and rice solution. Then, I gently wipe the entire leaf surface of the Anthurium, moving from top to bottom to avoid damaging the leaves. This is not just a basic cleaning step, but a form of deep leaf care. Wiping the leaves removes dust, bacteria, and tiny insects, allowing better airflow and more efficient gas exchange. The apple and rice solution contains natural sugars, mild organic acids, and trace nutrients that can be absorbed through the leaf surface. This helps the leaves become glossier, deeper, green, while naturally enhancing photosynthesis. In addition, natural compounds found in apple and rice help strengthen leaf resistance, supporting the prevention of minor issues such as aphids, mold, or surface bacteria. Regularly wiping the leaves keeps the plant clean and healthy, enhances leaf shine, and improves the overall aesthetic of Anthurium in your living space. Which country are you watching from? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple yet effective plant care tips. Step 2. Spray the apple and rice solution for full nutrient absorption. After wiping the leaves, I pour the apple and rice solution into a spray bottle. I spray it evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, covering the leaves, stems, and the upper root area. This method allows the plant to absorb nutrients evenly, both through the roots and directly through the leaves. The apple and rice solution provides natural sugars, trace minerals, and gentle organic acids, helping improve metabolism and enhance photosynthesis naturally. The mild organic acids help limit the growth of surface bacteria and fungi, reducing the risk of issues such as leaf spots, leaf rot, or minor pests. Even spraying helps distribute nutrients throughout the plant, especially to new shoots and growing tips, supporting healthy new leaf growth. With this approach, the Anthurium is nourished from within, while maintaining a fresh, glossy, and vibrant appearance. Step 3. Water the apple and rice solution into the growing medium. After spraying the leaves and stems, I water the apple and rice solution directly into the growing medium of the red Anthurium. This allows the solution to penetrate deeply into the root zone, where nutrient absorption is most effective. The apple and rice mixture supplies natural starches, B vitamins, and mild micronutrients, helping stimulate root growth and improve water and nutrient uptake. With regular use, this solution helps keep the growing medium loose, increase organic matter, and balance beneficial microorganisms, reducing the risk of root-related issues. When the roots are healthy, the plant grows more steadily, producing deeper green leaves and blooming more consistently. Next, I soak the Anthurium in the apple and rice solution for about 10 minutes. Step 4. Wipe off excess moisture to protect the leaves and prevent disease. After watering and spraying the apple and rice solution, I use a clean, soft, absorbent cloth to gently wipe away any excess moisture on the leaf surface. Each leaf is wiped carefully to avoid damaging the natural protective layer. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from collecting in leaf joints, reducing the risk of fungal growth, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid conditions. With dry leaf surfaces, the plant can breathe more easily, photosynthesis becomes more efficient, and water residue stains or white spots are prevented. After wiping, I place the plant in an area with diffused light and gentle airflow, allowing the leaves to dry naturally and keeping the plant fresh and healthy. With simple ingredients like apple and rice, we can create a fully natural plant care method at home, without chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques. With a little time and care, the plant will reward you with glossy green leaves, beautiful blooms, and lasting vitality. Anthurium is not only a beautiful plant, but also a symbol of resilience and good fortune. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so I can continue sharing more natural plant care methods. See you in the next video.